Typhoon Lekima is increasing in size and strength today. It's got winds of 75 miles per hour and a pressure of 978 millibars, our latest estimate at 6 a.m. China Standard Time, August the 7th. It's at 20 degrees north, 127.3 degrees east, and on the CDPS scale for Taipei, a potential landfall area, the northern tip of Taiwan, stage 8, with a huge rainfall potential, massive storm size, and potentially major typhoon conditions for the northern part of the island. Here it is right now though. As stated, damage potential is catastrophic, stage 8 on the CDPS. That is a projection for when the storm does strike Taiwan. It's currently 341 miles from Basco, the Philippine Islands, 351 from Santa Ana, 356 from Ishigaki, 350 from Miyakojima, and 481 from Kaohsiung in Taiwan. Gale advisories are in effect for the Miyako and Yaeyama Islands of the Ryukyu Island chain. No other warnings are in effect as of yet. So let's take a look at the forecast, the rainfall forecast here over the next 7 days. You'll see the pink colours really saturate the picture as the storm progresses towards the islands. Currently we're estimating that perhaps around 600 millimeters of rain could fall in some parts of Taiwan, and it could even be maybe higher in the mountainous regions of the island. Also in China we could see significant amounts of rainfall for the eastern coast as Lekima scrapes the coast and moves towards the north. We're not exactly sure on what the track's going to be, but it could affect Shanghai. Sea surface temperatures up until landfall are naturally very warm, and they will extend up the East China Sea quite some distance. Looking at the next few days then, the wind field now, watch how the wind field grows on Lekima. It's already quite large to begin with, but you can see it intensifying there. The GFS model taking it through the southernmost Ryukyus and then bending just off the tip of Taiwan and then back northwest towards the coast of China, and it's still just about on the shore there and then continues along the coast of China pretty much according to the GFS model. You can also see the massive Typhoon Krosa on the eastern side there near Japan. Chances of tropical storm force winds right now look like this: 87% at Ishigaki, 84% at Yilan, 81 at Taipei, 74 at Hsinchu, and 51 from Wenzhou in China. Looking at the latest model runs, you can see what they're saying right now. HWRF has just shy of Category 4 status, GFS calling for a Category 3, JTWC going with that Category 3 intensity at its closest pass to Taiwan. Landfall in China, if it does make landfall straight away, will probably be around a Category 2. A good analogue right now, you might want to throw in Maria of last year among other storms. It is not particularly rare that storms do take this sort of trajectory at this intensity. Looking at the latest satellite imagery then, as we enter the early hours in local time, you can see how it still remains extremely broad on the southwestern side with that convection. We were looking at the eye last night, but it's not quite as apparent today. Still, huge cloud tops are blowing up on the south and southeastern side of the storm. The northwestern side still looking just a little bit bare, especially further out from the center. But it still has plenty of time to intensify further, and it looks like it's going to do so. Pretty much all agencies are on board. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com. You can also find our YouTube channel. If you're not there already, you may well be. Good chance of that. Subscribe if you haven't. You can also find our Facebook page, search Force 13 all in text, and our Twitter handle, it's at Force 13 on there. You can also help the project become even better by becoming a patron. You can see more information about all the benefits involved by visiting patreon.com/Force13. With a special thanks to these people for being our most valued patrons this month. You can also check out our growing merch store so you can show Force 13's colours wherever you go. You can also find a link to our Discord server underneath this video in the description.